Hey everyone, Chris here from Moore's Jewelers. Here's our crown style ring 3D model we have for download. This model was made as one complete mesh and is ready to be downloaded, sprued, sliced, and printed. The crown pattern only stretches about halfway around the ring, leaving enough room for a sizing stock so the model or the printed ring can easily be sized to fit various finger sizes. The pattern is made up of 7 repeating scroll and bead designs and slowly transitions into the lower half of the shank. The current model is made around a US finger size of about 7 3/4 to an 8, sitting in that sweet spot for the majority of male and female finger sizes. The width of the ring is about 7 mm wide, with the top of the shank being 2 mm thick and tapering down to 1.4 mm thick in the back. To download the model or view more images and information, visit the product page on our site or any of our third-party retail stores. If you have any questions or issues downloading the ring, please feel free to reach out to us. Always more than happy to help in any way we can. Thanks for watching.